So, eto mga sangkay, pag-usapan po natin ngayon itong nangyari doon sa Hawaii, pandaigdigang balita. Kasi, ah, may naganap po na isang malaking pagbuhos ng ulan. Isa pong malaking bagyo daw po ang tumama sa kanila mga sangkay na sa sobrang dami po ng mga balita ngayon, international, lalong-lalo na pagdating po sa digmaan, natabunan po ito, hindi po halos may balita mga sangkay kahit po sa local media natin. Pero ito pag-usapan po natin ngayon kasi dito sa ating YouTube channel, ito po ay World Talks, no? Dito po natin pinag-uusapan yung mga ganitong klaseng balita. Kaya naman sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakakapag-subscribe, guys, makikita nyo po yung subscribe button sa baba ng video na to. I-click nyo po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click nyo po yung all. Siyempre, sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook, i-follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. Kasi dito lamang po natin i-upload yung mga katulad nitong usapin, no? Pagdating po sa mga pandaigdigang balita. At ngayon, mga sangkay, ito nga po ang situation. Ayon kasi sa balita, bumuhos daw po yung isang malakas na pagbaha o bagyo mga sangkay doon po sa Hawaii. At ito po ay katumbas ng napakahabang panahon na ibinuhos. Tingnan po, worst flooding in 20 years. Malala daw po talaga to.
There are mass evacuations going on this morning in Hawaii. A dam north of Honolulu was pushed to the limit. Take a look at that. Already widespread flooding from two powerful storms
So, yung dam na ito mga sangkay, tingnan po ninyo, nasira dahil po dito sa malaking pagbaha.
in the past week. Here is ABC's Michelle Franzen.
A dangerous situation unfolding north of Honolulu. Rising floodwaters surging behind the 120-year-old Wahiawa Dam, now
Grabe.
pushing it toward a possible failure. Thousands living downstream told to leave immediately.
So, libo-libo po ang inilikas
The
mga sangkay.
Hawaii National Guard has been activated, and the governor is warning residents to get out now.
The dam, which has been safe, was getting close to 85 feet. That's why we sounded the alarms and made sure people could get over out of harm's way.
So ito po ay nangyari 3 days ago. Pero mga sangkay, sunod-sunod po ito, hindi po natapos doon. So sa mga sumunod na araw, malala din po ang sitwasyon.
Relentless rain continues to pound the islands with more on the way through the weekend, raising the
Grabe.
risk for even more flooding.
Grabe yung mga bahay. Oh.
Already scenes like these in the rain and wind.
This is nuts, bro. Oh my god, it's rushing so fast.
What appears to be the roof of a home on a road and nearby flooded streets and front yards.
Yung mga kabahayan na yan, hindi po yan katulad sa Pilipinas, mga sangkay. Mga ano yan, mga bahay talaga na dekalidad pero walang ligtas pagdating po sa malalakas ngayon na bagyo. Kasi para po sa inyong kaalaman, ito matagal na po natin pinag-uusapan to. Kahit po sa main channel po natin na Sangkay Janjan TV, pinag-uusapan po natin yan doon na ang climate change po talaga malala na po sa panahon natin. No? Yung mga bagyo, hindi na po siya normal, mga sangkay. Talagang delikadong-delikado na. Noon, mga sangkay, di ba? Hanggang signal number 3 lang. Pag signal na number 2, medyo malakas na po yun. Pag number 3, yun na ang pinakasagad na malakas. Pero ngayon, umaabot na po signal number 5. Di ko alam, baka higit pa, mga sangkay. Kasi yung mga bagyo po talaga ngayon, ibang-iba na po. Kahit sa Pilipinas na i-experience po natin yan.
Come with me, family.
The heaviest rain is expected through Saturday, with the Big Island getting the worst of it.
So, nagtuloy-tuloy po ito mga sangkay at ito pa yung ibang mga balita tungkol dyan. Ito.
Tonight, Hawaii is under a flood watch after weeks of heavy rain triggered the worst flooding there in 20 years. The latest deluge pouring onto a highway in Maui. Damage across the state could top $1 billion.
Grabe, no? Mga ano to, mga malalagong ano to mga sangkay. Lugar sa ating mundo. Pero wala na po talaga ngayon inaano. Wala na pong pinipili mga sangkay. Malago ka mang, mahirap ka man na lugar o bansa. Ito, part ng US. Maganda sana mga sangkay. Pero walang ligtas, no? Ng pagkagupit nitong climate change.
CBS's Carter Evans in Los Angeles has more for us tonight.
Jerika, what has hit Hawaii is just pure devastation. It's a powerful series of storms that's been pummeling the islands for days, and it's unrelenting. This is what large swaths of Oahu and Maui look like after drenching rain that hasn't been seen in decades.
Grabe, hindi pa daw ito nakita sa ilang dekada. Pero tingnan nyo naman mga sangkay. Kahit po mga mansyon yung mga kabahayan, lubog sa baha.
Entire neighborhoods swamped. The impact catastrophic.
We are now beginning to contemplate the reality that this storm could cost over $1 billion of damage.
Grabe.
Latest round of storms comes after days of direct hits from a type of tropical cyclone known as a Kona low. Last week, some parts of Maui saw almost 4 feet of
Grabe, no?
rainfall.
So ganyan po kalala yung pagbuhos ng ulan, no? Malalaking patak po talaga siya.
Now, torrential rain is falling again. On Oahu this
Grabe,
weekend,
man.
people fled their homes as rescuers from the National Guard moved in.
Oh my
sloshing
goodness.
through waist-deep water. Some escaped in time to drive out, but for others,
Look at this.
Yung iba nakalusot, pero yung iba, tingnan nyo, lubog.
Never seen this. 35 years on the North Shore. This is heavy.
and with the ground already saturated, the state warns a nearby dam could burst at any time.
This is it. It's reached the wall.
Residents downstream ordered to evacuate.
Citizens everywhere have been taking care of each other. That's what you do in Hawaii. That is what we are as an Ohana. That's why people have not died.
At least so far, a 71-year-old woman has been reported missing, and it's feared she may have been swept into a swollen river on Maui. At least the rain is forecast to start tapering off tomorrow. Jerika?
Carter Evans, thank you. Tonight, crews in Washington state have begun a tough task. They're clearing several tons of rocks, mud, and debris
Grabe, no?
from Interstate 5. Officials say some of the rocks are as big as buses. Heavy rainfall is what caused the slide. For more on the weather across the country, let's turn now to
Okay,
meteorologist.
so yan po ang malaking problema doon po sa Hawaii. At ito po, mga sangkay, evacuation. At ito nga po yung ito, kilala nyo to, si Aquaman, mga sangkay. Tingnan po ninyo. Baging sila tinamaan din po.
It's lunch break. Stay safe out there. Got my family with me. We got out of the North Shore. A lot of people have been asking. Power went off. We're safe for now, but there's a lot of people who aren't. So, sending all our love, and we're just all North Shore's pretty gnarly right now. So just love and hopefully everyone's safe and getting out and get together and figure out how we help everyone. All my love and
Grabe, no? Problemado siya, mga sangkay, kasi yung pamilya niya, tinamaan din po. Maging siya, na-experience niya yung malalang pagbaha, mga sangkay, doon sa Hawaii.
stay safe out there.
Alright, so ito po yung situation ngayon doon sa Hawaii, mga sangkay, regarding po dito sa pinakamalaking bagyo sa loob po ng 20 years. No? Ganyan po kalala siya, mga sangkay. So, ito po ay normal sa panahon po natin ngayon. Normal siya na hindi po talaga sa normal kung titingnan. Pero dahil po, ito na po talagang situation, nagiging new normal na po siya. Sabi pa nga po, by 2030, mas malala na po ang magiging sitwasyon kung ang climate change ay hindi po masusolusyonan. Alright? Natatakpan lang kasi itong balitang to ng mga mga gera-gera eh. Kaya, eto mga sangkay, binalita po natin para at least malaman po ninyo, baka may mga kamag-anak kayo doon or what. Maraming Pinoy sa Hawaii, diba? Well, ano po ang inyong opinion? Comment down below. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-subscribe itong ating YouTube channel. God bless everyone.